A catastrophic fire destroyed 2/3 of the major storage shed at Weatherell Transport in Halbert Road at Makaraka last night, and it took firefighters more than 8 hours to contain and finally put out. The fire service were alerted to the fire starting at around 6:30 p.m. last night. At its height, flames could be seen shooting 30 metres in the air, and dense smoke drifted across some western parts of the city. It started in a wall at the northern end and got established in the timber, sarking and polystyrene material on the walls, said Senior Station Officer Pear Carroll. The building was a former coolstore operated until the 1970s by the Apple and Pear board. Weatherell Transport have operated out of there for about 20 years. We had difficulty gaining access to the wall spaces where the fire was smouldering, Senior Station Officer Carroll said. Once it gained momentum, it took off. Firefighters used an excavator to smash holes in the walls of the storage shed to get their aerial Bronte appliance boom inside to make an internal attack on the blaze. They were determined to stop the fire spreading to the southern end of the building, where an old refrigeration chemical storage tank was situated. If the chemicals in that tank had caught fire, a very nasty gas would have been given off, Senior Station Officer Carroll said. Fortunately, we were able to cut the fire off. More than 40 firefighters were involved in the battle, with 5 pumping appliances, 2 to 3 water tankers and support vehicles. They had volunteer crews from Te Karaka, Patutahi and Manutuke at the scene, and the Tolaga Bay crew took up position in the city fire station on standby. 2 fire crews from Hawke's Bay were brought up to Gisborne as additional backup. At this stage, there's no indication on how the fire started. I'm Murray Robertson for the Gisborne Herald.